Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup tutorial because a lot of you guys have been asking for it. But instead of doing like, my everyday makeup tutorial, I thought it'd be fun to bring Brent in. So I asked him if I could do, my makeup on him. And he said no. So here he is. So I usually start by putting my hair back. So put this headband on, Brent. There's a little fly in here. Do you see that, Bryce?
Yeah.
I usually start by using this clarified vitamin A plus witch hazel like facial mist. It smells really good. I wonder if you're allergic to that.
What is that? Lexi, what is in it?
Like hazel.
What?
He's allergic to peanuts. Okay, so once that's done, I usually start with just an under eye concealer because I get super dark circles under my eyes. That stupid fly. I just use this CoverGirl under eye concealer and then whatever shade you feel is necessary. And look at me, please. Okay, can you kill that before I go on? I start with just dashes, like under the eyes like that. And then, Brent, stop blinking so much.
Oh yeah.
And then I usually do it with my fingers, but I don't want to put my fingers on Brent's face, so I'm just gonna use this sponge thingy.
Good.
And then remember to dab, don't rub. And if you have any blemishes or whatnot, then you can also I put under eye concealer on like pimples and stuff. I don't really use foundation. Next, I do brows. So I use this Boy Brow by Glossier. You need work on your eyebrows.
Excuse me?
For eyebrows, I like to tend to like lift them upward more. Brent has these like super thick eyebrows. And I'm trying to get like thicker eyebrows too.
Yeah, she wished she had my eyebrows.
Now I'm going to do eyeshadow.
Great.
So I'm gonna start with this Peace color as more of like a base. It's kind of like tan. Okay. So I use this one as like more of a base. And then I go in with more of like a brownish pink color. I mix them. I use this one and this one. Okay, so now I'm going to do mascara. Use this Marc Jacobs one. It's really good. I've used it for like a really long time now. I actually use more than one mascara. I usually use 3 at a time, but since it's just on Brent, I'm just gonna do one.
I don't like this part.
Stop, Brent. This is so difficult. Put it like down a little bit, yeah, like that. That's perfect. Oops, I got it on your face. I feel like the worst is when like you're getting your makeup done and then they leave like to go get more eyeshadow or whatever, and then they come back and like touch your eye when your eyes are already closed, and then you like twitch and then you get all embarrassed.
That's never happened to me.
It's really difficult. It's like doing makeup on a child.
You're a child.
Okay, so that's like as good as it's gonna get.
It's better than what she has.
Now I'm going to do eyeliner. I kind of messed up because I put the mascara on before I did eyeliner, but just so you know, I put eyeliner and then I put mascara. Okay, but I use this Revlon eyeliner, and you're gonna hate this. But I just kind of put like a line on my eye and it kind of just opens up the eyes more, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a bling for you.
No.
Just kind of go slow. Oh my god, that's really bad. I've never done makeup on another person, to be completely honest with you guys. Brent, stop squinting, that's the reason why it doesn't look good. Let me see. That looks so bad.
Sticking to my thing, like, see, I can't.
I take this little like contour stick, but I don't really like use it for contouring. I use it like just the sparkly side, and I'm just gonna do a strip down his nose and then a little circle at the bottom. Rub it in with a sponge or whatever. Oh wow, look at that glow. Powder. Let me see. Brent, you're supposed to be looking at me this whole time and all you do is look straight forward.
I look terrible. You're the reason why I look so bad right now. Ow, you got my mouth.
Okay, I go in with this little blush palette. It's like a pretty like sparkly color. You don't want too much though. And then I'm just going to sort of get like right here. And then I use this highlighting palette and I take this little brush that like came with like a powder. I use like this color mixed with this color, and then I put it down the nose. And then I take like this color and like a pinkish color. really shows up on his face, you guys.
Yeah, maybe because I'm naturally beautiful.
It kind of depends on my mood, what color I take in here, but I'm gonna use this one.
I'm gonna use black because I'm angry.
Just do it on the brow bone. I've been like really into sparkles lately, that's why he's like covered in them. So the last thing I do is lipstick, and if you've watched my recent video, but I told you that like if you want plumper lips that you could brush them. So that's what I'm gonna do. He brought his toothbrush. Oh my god, it was so funny. Me and Brent were in Hawaii, right? And like my toothbrush literally is like this exact same one, but mine's purple. And like, you know, if you're on vacation together, like you just have like all of the toothbrushes like in the cup or whatever, you know? And I picked his up and I started brushing my teeth. I looked in the mirror and I was like, this is not my toothbrush. And I go, this isn't my toothbrush. And I go, oh, you know, like I didn't want to say it too loud because I knew he'd get like so mad.
And I was like, are you kidding me right now? Are you really brushing
and
your teeth?
And I rinsed it under hot water for like 20 minutes for this kid. But anyways, take a toothbrush and I'm just going to brush his lips. You just like really want to get them like swollen.
I don't want my lips swollen.
And then I mix this lipstick, which is like coral, that's like really red, mixed with this petal, which is more of a pinkish color. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, that got all over. I'll put this one on the bottom. Brent, you keep moving.
It's not my fault. You're bad at doing makeup.
It's true. Okay, now go guys. And then if you want like more of a matte color, like say you do, or say you only have gloss at home, I've used this one before, it's called Cherry Pie. Like put it on your finger, put it on your lips, and then it makes it like sparkle and it makes it more of like a matte. That is my makeup look. Does he look like me?
No, I look better than you.
So, here is your look.
I look good.
Honestly, I don't know why it turned out so bad.
What?
It's just really hard to work with.
She's just
So
bad.
don't judge my makeup skills. Honestly, yeah, I'm not very good at it. I've never really done makeup on another person before.
If you think that I look good, then hit that like button. It's gonna be down there.
And if you think that he looks bad, then hit that like button. It's
No,
not there.
no, that's not even an option.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know Brent did. So yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.